Retro meets modern. That is our theme for today's review. This is the Air Jordan Zoom 85 running sneaker. I actually picked this up from Las Vegas, or was it Los Angeles? Can't remember anymore. While I was in the US for the Consumer Electronics Show 2020. I'm not sure if this is available in the Philippines yet, but I just wanted to share with you guys my review because it is one of the nicest shoes that I've ever worn. With that, let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do constant giveaways. In fact, we're giving away a sneaker of your size, your choice, from Commonwealth. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the link down below in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. This is literally what happens if you cross what could be Element React 87 together with the Pegasus 36 and a Jordan 1 low. All of those three sneakers combined, babam, you have the Air Jordan Zoom 85. If you take a look at the color, you have the classic Chicago colors of red, white, and black. If you take a look at the upper, you have that translucent, transparent upper, which was popularized, at least fairly recently, of course, by the Element React 87. If you go down to the midsole with that diamond cut along the edges, it's actually very reminiscent of the same Zoom midsole that was used with the Pegasus 34, 35, 36. Even the pattern of the outsole actually resembles that sneaker. Apart from the reinforcements that you see along the edges, they added a little pop by using some sort of like patent leather cover for specific areas of the shoe. Here along the eye stays and here along the back of the heel with the Air Jordan Wing logo over there. You have the jump band as well over here in white. Now that's how it looks. It's easy to wear, it's versatile. I mean, come on guys, it is a Chicago colorway, so it can go pretty much with jeans, joggers, a plain shirt, it just works. But what makes this sneaker truly special are two things. Number one, the price point. I got this for $100, which means you can probably get it here in the Philippines when it drops for below 6,000 pesos or slightly above that depending on our taxes. After that, it's really all about the comfort. This is one of the most comfortable sneakers that I've ever worn for $100. And when I say comfort, it's not just the pillow cushioning effect that you get with the midsole. It's a combination of everything from the cushioning to the stability to the support to the breathability of the upper to the flexibility of the upper. All of those things taken together for the price point of $100 makes this sneaker an amazing buy, in my opinion. It is just a shoe that you would love to wear for hours and hours. It's the perfect traveling sneaker. You put it on, you forget about it. It gives your feet excellent support. You don't get that fatigue at the end of the day. You get that balance. You won't trip over yourself. Man, I'm really a huge fan of this particular silhouette, of this particular shoe, especially with the amazing price point that it comes with. I strongly recommend that you guys pick one up, especially if you're a fan of Jordan brand and you love the classic Chicago color, but you want something a little bit more modern compared to your typical Chicago or bred, Jordan 1 lows. This gives you the future or the modern cushioning that running sneakers have, preserving some sort of like that classic look that you love with the sneaker, and it will really give you the support that you need throughout the day without leaving a burning hole in your pocket. The comfort that I get with this is actually kind of comparable with this shoe, which was hailed by a lot of sneaker YouTubers as one of the most comfortable sneakers of 2019 without breaking the bank. This is the Peak Taichi. So take a look at that midsole. It kind of gives you that React feel. At the same time, it gives you support for the heel. You have a knitted upper for the breathability and the flexibility. And it's an all-around great sneaker to wear, be it for running, working out, or just everyday walking. Peak Taichi is available, by the way, over at Lazada, and it sells for less than 4,000 pesos. It sells for like 3,995, or the previous model sells for like 3,700. So if you get a voucher with that, you can even get it for much less. I'll put a link down below for this particular shoe in the description box, as well as the comments, just in case you guys are looking for an everyday beater that gives you excellent support. Again, the Peak Taichi. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. It's short but sweet. I really just wanted to give you feedback on the shoe. This sneaker, OMG, I really love it. I mean, I'm such a huge fan, and I hope that they come out with more colorways in the future. Also, if you don't get the chance to buy this, and if you just want like an all black beater that gives you amazing comfort, you might want to consider the Peak Taichi at 3,900 or 3,700. It's really a good buy. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.